Virtual Vocations Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Virtual Vocations, a platform designed to connect remote job seekers with legitimate work-from-home opportunities. Links to the platform are provided in the description for your convenience. Virtual Vocations is tailored for professionals looking to find remote jobs or freelance projects across a wide variety of industries, including writing, customer service, IT, project management, healthcare, and more. Unlike general freelancing platforms, Virtual Vocations specializes in remote work, offering a curated database of job postings to ensure quality and legitimacy. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals aiming to transition into or expand their remote work career. One standout feature of Virtual Vocations is its comprehensive job board. The platform meticulously screens job postings to ensure they come from legitimate companies, reducing the risk of encountering scams. With advanced search filters, you can tailor your job hunt based on industry, experience level, employment type, and even geographical preferences. This level of customization saves significant time and ensures you're only seeing roles that match your skills and interests. For freelancers and remote job seekers, Virtual Vocations also provides access to helpful tools and resources, such as a resume builder, career coaching, and exclusive guides on remote work best practices. Additionally, the platform offers premium membership plans, which unlock features like unlimited access to job postings, email alerts, and priority customer support. What sets Virtual Vocations apart is its focus on transparency and support. Employers are carefully vetted, and freelancers benefit from the platform's emphasis on high-quality opportunities. Whether you're looking for full-time, part-time, or freelance work, this platform caters to a wide range of professional needs. In summary, Virtual Vocations is an ideal platform for anyone serious about finding legitimate remote work opportunities. It combines a curated job board with valuable resources, making it a one-stop shop for remote professionals. If you're ready to take the next step in your remote work journey, check the links in the description and explore what Virtual Vocations has to offer.